Yes, welcome to What's Cooking with Chef Noel, and today it's all about the coconut cornmeal pudding. Woo! Yes, so today it's all about the coconut cornmeal pudding. Welcome to Jamaicans.com. This is What's Cooking with Chef Noel, and this is our little, cooking segment each week where we try, our best to do something Jamaican as much as possible for our Jamaicans and Jamaicans at heart, and just to rekindle those feelings and those moments now that you are in quarantine. And I am Chef Noel Cunningham from Cuisine by Noel, cookbook author as well. This is my book. It's called Cuisine by Noel, A Culinary Journey Through Recipes and Stories. And today I'll be making actually my favorite recipe from the book. And this coconut cornmeal pudding, is actually one of my favorite from a long time, from high school. So I decided, okay, I gotta put this in the book because the book is all about, journey and stuff like that. So what I'm doing now, I'm actually sharing this video. So make sure you share this video as well to all your friends who you think, might need to see what's cooking. So I'm sharing this, so be like me and make sure you share this video. So I'm sharing this to all my friends so they can see what's up. So make sure you take this time now and share the video, alright? Let's break. Let's go for a commercial break while we all are sharing. Yes, so I'm also going to make, hold on just a moment. I'm making a pina colada sunrise. Not a pina colada sunrise, a colada sunrise. So it's not a pina colada really, but it's similar to one with it's not blended, and I also use some grenadine in it, which the original pina colada doesn't use any grenadine. Are you ready? So let me see some comments, let me see some hearts, let me see some likes. Let me know where you're watching from. Last week we had lots of people from Texas, and Florida was in the house last week a lot. Toronto massive, big up on yourself. Who else was in the house? Brampton was in the house a lot. So let me see where you're from. So for the cornmeal coconut pudding now, it's a two-stage method, meaning we're gonna have dry liquid. So we're gonna have our dry ingredients and our liquid over here. There's no such thing as dry liquid, guys. Don't be like me. So we're gonna have our dry ingredients over here and our liquid over here. So let's start with our liquid first. So we need to get this on a medium flame. Hey, what's up? I'm making the coconut cornmeal pudding this week. You guys requested it last week, so I am, giving you guys your wish. Your wish, my command, right? It won't be long. You got the book? Nice. Ooh, I'm getting some smoke here. Nice. How is it? East London in the house. So this is 2 cups of coconut milk. 2 cups of coconut milk. Then I need 3 cups of water. Let me get 1 more cup over here. So that's 2 cups. So if you want to write down this recipe, I'll go as slow as possible for you guys. But this one is also in my book. CT in the house. So that's 2 cups of coconut milk. And I also have 3 cups of water. So that's 5 cups of liquid. Then I'm also going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence to this. Then I also need to add half cup of butter or margarine you know, it works. Anyone works. Hey Del Marine, what's up? How are ya? So if you're just joining, we're making coconut cornmeal pudding. We're going down memory lane today. Okay, why is she disappointed? Why? Because my friend Sheena made it and it came out very, very good. I've made it a couple times. So let me know why. I'm not sure. Hey Miriam. So 2 cups of coconut milk, 3 cups of water there, half cup of butter. Then we're gonna add 1.5 cup sugar. Going in there. So that's all for the liquid. And a little dry the sugar here. I want the sugar to dissolve as well as the butter as well. So as I said earlier, it's a 2-stage. She thought it was too moist. Yeah, some person like it moist. Some person not so moist. It depends. So what she can do is she can maybe take out a cup of the water and use 2 cup water, 2 cup water as well as 2 cup coconut milk, because the longer you have the pudding sitting down, then it's gonna absorb all that liquid, so it won't be that moist after a few days. All right, so in here now we need 2.5 cup cornmeal. Here's our cornmeal. I'm using half cup of flour. Ooh, I'm throwing away some. Then inside here now, I'm gonna add all my raisin. I'm gonna add some of this. Yeah, I'm gonna add some of my raisin to this. I like raisin, some people don't, so you don't have to use a raisin, you can just take it out. Then I'm gonna add some coconut, some grated coconut flakes right here. I like coconut, so yeah, I would say fine cornmeal works. Should have to use 2 cups of coconut milk, and then use 2 cups of water. Take out maybe 1 cup. Then I'm adding now 1.5 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon nutmeg, 1.5 teaspoon salt. That's all the spices we need. So this one is a quick one, it won't be long. So we'll just whisk these now, you know, whisk these to combine. Yeah, a few persons tried it and it came out pretty good. But I know sometimes for these stuff, some persons have, you know, different lightness that they like, different textures. So you can just play around with the recipe. And then we also added the custard on top. So for the custard, you need half cup coconut milk. So this is all our dried ingredients. Can I use coconut sugar instead? Okay, coconut sugar, yes you can. Yes you can. Because you'll add the coconut sugar to the liquid, so it will, of course, you know, break down. So it won't be grainy. Because I think the coconut sugar is a bit much harder, right? I think. I'm not sure, but I think so. Those grains are a bit bigger. Yeah, so coconut sugar is fine. And then this is just half cup of flour, so it's not a lot of flour, right? Hey, what's up, Claudette? I see Del Marine in the building, Trisha in the building. Make sure you guys, you know, share the video to your friends that you might think, you know, want to see it. So if you're just joining, welcome to What's Cooking with Chef Noel. It's every Wednesday at 6 p.m. right here on Jamaicans.com. Last week we made, what did we do last week again? Oh Lord, the jerk chicken and colada fried rice we did last week. The week before we did the fish with the beer blanc sauce and cornmeal, aka polenta, the fancy name, right? And the week before, which was the first week, we did the coconut braised chicken with gnocchi, aka dumpling. So we need to get our butter melted and sugar is already melted. And you preheat your oven at all times, guys, 350. And then, so what I do, once you put it halfway, ready, I just turn it down to 300 so it slowly cook. So you have to know your oven as well. Yeah. Also add some rum to this. 3 tablespoons. It depends on you. For me, I'll go like 3 tablespoons. I'll do a splash. But I'm not gonna add my rum to this because I don't want to get rid of too much of the alcohol. I need alcohol in my pudding, so I'll add it. So everything is all melted now. So what we need to do now is use half of this liquid. Then we add the rest, okay? That seems like half to me. I don't want the fire alarm go off now. And it's not too hot where it's cooking the cornmeal, really. It's just warm enough. How can I see the recipe that has passed? I think this recipe should be on Jamaicans.com. This recipe is here. And then you add the remaining of liquid. This is our pan that we're going to use. You need a deep pan. And I'm using some spray. Make sure you spray properly. Get every cribbit and corner, right? Hey, what's up? So we're making coconut cornmeal pudding today. So I'm gonna recap the recipe, guys. So if you want to write it down, here's your chance. And I think if you type if you go to Google and type Chef Noel coconut cornmeal pudding, it will pop up for Jamaicans.com. Or if you want to go dessert on their website, it's there. So it's gonna look like, oh my god, it's too much liquid, but trust me, it will not be. Because the cornmeal is going to absorb. And that's it right there. I'll put this to bake. So that's baking. This will take roughly the most 40 minutes. So let's make our cocktail. And then yeah, so 2.5 cup cornmeal, half cup of the, if you have the book, for those of you who have the book, it's page 162. It's on Amazon. You can get it there on Amazon, Amazon.com, Amazon CA. And this is it. That's how it is. And that's the recipe right there. You won't see it properly. But it's 2.5 cup cornmeal, half cup flour, 1.5 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon nutmeg, 1.5 teaspoon salt, then 2 cups coconut milk, 3 cup water, 2 teaspoon vanilla, half cup margarine or butter. But the recipe is there. So it's time now for our cocktail. So we're gonna make a quick cocktail, guys. And it's called a sunrise colada. If you like pina colada, then you will definitely love this one. Hey, what's up? Need some rum. Right, you ready now? Where are my drinkers? Where are my drinkers? Let me see. Let me see some hands. Let me see something. Where are my drinkers? Who like a drink? Who like a good drink? What are you drinking at home? What are you sipping for Corona and stuff like that? So let me make it over here. If you guys can't see properly, you can just swipe the comment across. So this is some crushed ice. Oh, Michelle. I'm gonna think about it, Michelle. I wanna see what space available. This is my crushed ice I'm trying to get out. So as I always say, you know, when you're making cocktail, so you need lots of ice. It's gonna take out all the flavor from your alcohol and your drinks and your juice. It's gonna make it extra yummy. Lots of ice. Once it's cool, it's better, right? So I'm using pineapple juice, roughly 2 ounces. I'm not really measuring this one, but you need a good measurement, right? Then some mango juice. Balance the thing, right? We need some coconut cream, or if you have a rich coconut milk, you can use that as well. And then now we need to add our rum. So it's a sunrise colada. Alright. So this one, you can do this one as a build cocktail where you build it on layers, or you can shake it. I don't have my bar tool as yet. It's in the mail. So this one I'm just gonna shake it. Amazon is sending it, I'm waiting on it. But at home, if you don't have one, here's a way that you can do. Then this one now we're just gonna pour in the glass. Then we're gonna pour the grenadine now nicely. And that's your sunrise colada. Do you love it? How is it? How is it? How is it? Let me see some heart. Let me see some heart. What's up? Would you try it? Would you have it? Do you like pina colada? It's very good. The mango juice with the pineapple juice, the rum, the nice, all right, yeah. Cheers. The right amount of coconut milk. I use a coconut milk, but usually use coconut cream or cream of coconut. But I have a very rich coconut cream that I use, so it's very good. Do you like pina colada? It's really good. And it's very, you know, quick and easy. Use your white rum. If you want to use a spice rum, trust me, it'll be good. I would definitely recommend a spice rum for that. Coconut rum can go as well. And because of, you know, interest of time, so once you bake your pudding for like 30 minutes, you will need to add the custard to it. So the custard now is I use half teaspoon cinnamon, half teaspoon salt, quarter cup of sugar, and half cup of milk, coconut milk. Mix that together, then you pour it over the pudding and let it bake for next like 10 minutes. Make Guinness punch next week. Sure. Big up yourself, Marcia. Bless up. Hey, Nikki. That's Nikki. Not a drinker, but the looks. Yeah, man. It's really good. And if you want to take out the rum, sure. And the rum is not strong. The rum is not, strong. It's a nice cocktail. Nice sipping cocktail. Water. So because the interest of time, I have a pudding that is ready. This is how your pudding will come out. I sprinkle a little toasted coconut on top because I'm extra. Right? So it is still warm. This came out of the oven like 5 o'clock. And that's the texture of the pudding, guys. So for, if you think it is too soft, you can also tell your mom she can add use same amount of liquid but 1.5 cup flour. Use 1.5 cup flour. Same liquid but 1.5 cup of flour. So that's the texture, guys. So same liquid, but add 1 more cup of flour to it. I think, yeah. That's the coconut cornmeal pudding, and that's the coconut flakes I added to it. So make sure you share this video. And this is all for this week. What's Cooking with Chef Noel? Ooh, I wish I could share this with y'all. Honestly, I wish I could share this with y'all. Oh Lord. So thank you guys for watching. I think next week going to be something with shrimp. Have some shrimp. So I think it's gonna be some shrimp next week. So this is the pudding, so make sure you give it a try. It's quick and easy. As you see, it took me like 10 minutes, maybe less, to put everything together. The flour with the cornmeal, the salt, cinnamon, nutmeg, and the raisin and the coconut flakes. Then I added the liquid to that, boom, in the oven. It's doing its thing. Half an hour time, you add your custard to it, bam. You have something, to snack on. I make it look easy. So next week I think I'm gonna do some coconut plantain cups with maybe a shrimp salsa inside. Show you guys something different. We could also do some appetizers. I could do ackee and saltfish spring roll. I could also do some peppered shrimp. If you guys want to see peppered shrimp, I have some shrimp with some eggs and beer things and things. So make sure you share this video, guys. Like the page. If you want to follow me on Instagram, my link is there. If you can see up top, my link is there. My Facebook page is there. So next week we do it all over again. And that's it for What's Cooking with Chef Noel right here on Jamaicans.com. Keisha reached late to the party. This one is the sunrise colada, which I know you will love. It's just pineapple juice, mango juice, some grenadine, some rum, not too strong, a little coconut milk. Nice and easy, right? On a Wednesday evening. Alright guys, so next week, leave in a comment and tell me what you want me to make next week. Leave in a comment, I'll check it. I'll double tap, Queenie style, alright?